Hey there mga Marts! Eto na naman tayo sa walang katapusang unboxing. Alright, so I'm going to share with you what I bought the past few days. Okay, so ang hirap kasi pag nandito ka sa bahay, yung mga kailangan mong bilhin, if you go outside, medyo delikado. So it's better na online ka na lang bumili. And now I have here 4 packages, 1 from Lazada and 3 from Shopee. As usual, we are going to open the smallest one. So the smallest one is this package. Alright, so buksan natin. Okay, so iayos natin ganyan. Okay, tsaka natin. Alright, so this one's mga Marts are bangles. Okay, these are fancy bangles. So ibig sabihin, pag fancy bangles, it's just for fashion. I really want to share this to you mga Marts kung bakit ako bumili ng ganito, fancy bangles. Even before, I really want to use bangles. And for some time, I stopped using it because of this. Yan, kaya nilipat ko sila dito mga Marts. Alright, so yan. So I got 2. Alright, so this one is in stainless chrome like so or silver, and this one is in gold. But they are both stainless mga Marts. Okay, so these ones are the one that you can just clip on your wrist. So, itong isa, this one is in oblong shape, and the other one in a circle shape. So, magkaiba sila. Bakit oblong yung isa? Anyways, I'm not going to use them both at the same time. So, here's why I bought this, mga Marts. So, as you can see, I have a stainless watch today. This will go with it. Alright, so let's try it. Okay, so ito is yung, ayan, yung kiniklip lang to mga Marts. So you can just put it after, parang ano siya, it's parang partner niya mga Marts. So diba, this one looks better now. So ayan. Alright. I also have another watch here. Kahit anong watch mga Marts, they can go with it. I another have one watch. Alright. This one is the regular watch, yung malalaki. Alright, so as you can see, it also matches it, diba? And yes, you can also buy watches na meron ng kasamang ganito. So, but for me, I have some watches na wala talaga, so I just bought it separately. So let's also try the gold one. So, tanggalin natin to. This is easier than with the one with screw. I also have one like that, and I don't use it often. So, ayan. So, if you have a watch like so, alright, so you can also pair it with the gold one. You can just clip it like this. Alright. O, diba ang ganda mga Marts? Kesa yung alone lang siya kanina. So, now, meron siyang kasama. Diba? It's fancy, but it looks nice. So, hindi naman siya OA because isa lang siya and it's just so slim. Actually, mas OA nga pag eto, di ba? Ang dami, oh, see? Okay, so let's go to the next parcel that we have. So, let me just get it. So, this one is from Lazada and ayan, yung mga in-unbox ko mga Marts is hindi ko matandaan kung ano. Kung ano na to kasi, di ba? Wala na rin nakalagay dito. So, this one from Lazada, I got a watch. And this is a fancy watch as well. You know mga Marts, even before when I was in college, I have I think 5 watches and it's all fancy because I had once a watch. I'm already tired of using that watch and I cannot dispose it. You know why? Because it's still working and it still looks new. Yun yung mga ano mga Marts, yung mga branded na watches na ayaw mo na sa kanila pero nandyan pa rin sila para sa wow! Wow! Ano yun? Ayan. So, mas gusto ko yung mga ano, yung hindi naman yung madaling masira or ano, basta yung mumurahin lang so that if I don't like it already, I can just buy a new one. Okay, so this one is in like silver or chrome. Ayan siya mga Marts. Oh, ang ganda, diba? So, it doesn't have a brand. So, pag bumibili ako ng mga ganito, usually yung walang brand. No brand. Written on this watch. And the back. So, meron naman na namang paparisan yung ating bangle na silver or stainless na bangle. Alright. Buti na lang umabot sa dulo mga Marge. Kasi ang liit din ng wrist ko. O, diba? Ang ganda. O, tikpan natin yun. Oh, ang ganda. And it also goes with this one. Alright. Oh, diba? Mas maganda siya na merong kasama. Diba? Pak, mga Mards. So, on to the next parcel. Okay, so this one, mga Mards. Okay, this is a clothing. Alright. So, I got it from Shopee. So, this one is a coordinate. So, terno siya, mga Mards. Alright. So, I'm going to show you. This is in the color lilac. Lilac or lilac? Okay. So, yan. Okay. And then, meron siyang square pants siya, mga Mards. Alright. So, it has also pockets. Kabilaan. So, ayan. I have ordered 2 of this before and nagamit ko na yung isa. So, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the last one that I'm going to unbox or unwrap. O, diba ang lucky? Nakalagay dito is fragile. Alright, so sana walang basag. Okay. So, buksan natin. I bought this for my hubby kasi ang dami niyang shoes. Oh, di ba? Alam niyo na siguro. Kasi ang dami niyang shoes. Kasi ang dami niyang shoes. Ako rin, pero ay kulang kasi yung kanyang ano. Ay! Alright, so I'll be careful. Okay. So alam ko hindi lang yun ang in-order ko. Diba? So, mas maganda talaga kapag sa baba siya. Ang hirap nito. So, kasi mga Mards, yung dati kong pinag-filman, eh, hindi na ako doon nag-film. Kaya, ang hirap kasi wala akong table dito. So, it's just my lap. I use my lap. Alright. Ayan. Okay. So, dito natin bubuksan since walang nakaharang. Oops. Okay, that's it. And, wow. Yun lang bang ito ko? Ah, okay. So, etong mga Mards, mura lang to. And I find it cute and also the color. Diba? Ayan. Ay, plastic din pala. I got slippers. So I thought it's leather, but it's not. It's plastic, rubber, parang ganun. Rubber plastic siya. So sana hindi ako ma-allergy dito. Alright. Oops. Alright. So try natin. So parang masikip siya mga Mards. So yun ang mahirap kapag bumibili ng mga tsinelas. Right. So ganda kasi cute. So maybe I'm just going to give this to my daughter, or maybe I'll just use it. So nyo bang makita? Tataas ka na naman pa yung paa ko. Ganda rin naman. Kaya lang parang pang mapayat na paa. Eh yung paa ko malapad mga Mards. Sige na, papakita ko sa inyo. Pero hindi ko tataas yung paa ko. Mabalian pa ako ng buto mga Mards. O yan mga Mards, parang maliit talaga sa akin. Diba? Lapad ng paa ko. Hindi talaga. Alright, I'm just going to give that to my daughter. And, okay, so eto yung malaki. And this is, kulang tayo ng isa. Kasi I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 of this. So, ang hirap naman. 6. Okay. So, ito mga Mards is lagayan ng shoes. Okay. Alright. So, let's try to assemble one. Dahan-dahan. Kamalaglag at mabasagan. Okay. So, ayan. Ganito siya mga Mards. Diba? So, yung material niya, it's like yung mga plastic na folder. Yun, ganon. Pati kapal. Or, although siguro mas makapal ng konti. Hindi, pareho lang. So, ganito siya. Para yung mga box na aayusin mo lang or gagawin mo. It's really a brilliant idea. So, mga Mards, eto na siya. So, medyo nahirapan ako, pero ano lang siya. Once you get the technique, madali na lang din. So, ayan. It's a storage for shoes. Mura lang to mga Mards. So, it's also in different colors and I just chose black. So, meron pa akong 5 na i-assemble. So, mga Mards, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!